So recently, I did a short video on a neck fan I got to try out. And if you remember, if you watched that video, I was immediately like, why haven't I gotten one of these before? And I know this isn't one of the usual videos for this channel, and I'm sure some of you are sitting there, why are you doing a video on a neck fan? Guys, it has been very hot this summer. Way too hot for me. I don't do well in the heat. I'm struggling over here, and I'm sure it's not just me, guys. Check on your dads. Check on your dads. I'm sure they're sweating it out just like me. So today, I am going to tell you about another neck fan real quick. I'm going to tell you about another one to help you and anyone else deal with this ridiculous heat. This is the Jisulife FA35pro portable ultimate bladeless neck fan, and the first thing I want to share with you about it is its really clean design. It's very sleek, very clean. It's like if Apple were to design a neck fan, it would look exactly like this. I'm sure of it. I'm sure it would look just like this. And this has been instrumental in helping me beat the heat this summer, and it does it through all of the tech built into this thing. It's got upgraded patents for 360-degree airflow and up to 18 hours battery life with a 4,000 milliamp battery. It also features different design aspects like turbo mode, multi-speed mode, and even a quiet mode, which I really like. It's also lightweight and hands-free. Referring back to that tech now real quick, how this thing puts out so much power is through the use of what they call the air Cyclone Turbine. It sucks air in and then circulates it all the way around with high-powered motors. It's also got this aluminum plate in the back that offers heat dissipation and additional cooling. Putting it on too now is also quite nice and comfortable. It has hinges here to customize the fit, and it's nice and lightweight like I mentioned, so it doesn't bother my shoulders or neck having it sit there for a long time. It also does a pretty decent job at actually doing the work of cooling me off when it's this hot. I mean, honestly, it's tough to really put a dent in it. We're not talking about freezing air coming out of the fan, but having some circulated air really does help when the temperature gets up to 100 and 105, so it does do something. So overall, I do think that this does the job for me. I think overall it's a cool little gadget to check out. It's got some good tech going on inside there, and like I said, it's doing what it's advertised to do, which I really appreciated. I think this too would make for an awesome gift for anyone. It's sleek enough to not be super intrusive, and at a price point of only 50 bucks, it's pretty affordable in my opinion. If you would like to check out the ultimate bladeless neck fan from Jisulife, you can find it at the link in the description. Once again, I'm pretty happy with this device. I think it worked out really well, and if you're interested, you can find it right there. That's it for me today. That's it though for today. Thanks so much for checking this out with me. I hope you enjoyed it as well. I will be back here with another video very soon, so until then, take it easy. I'll see you next time.